Hey, it's Dr. Spates here with Com 702, Theory in Research and Communication. The purpose of this video is to provide you with your weekly checklist. To start us off, everything on this slide is things that are due for Monday, January 27th of this year. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is the cover here of our course textbook, Theories of Human Communication. That is what you want to go ahead and grab if you haven't already, but that is the textbook that we're using for the entire semester. We will use it every week, so you want to make sure that you go ahead and grab it if you haven't already. One of the things that I want to point your attention to is that your first prep packet will be due on the 27th. So we are not going to meet next week on January 20th. This is due to the MLK holiday. Even though this is an online course, we are still going to observe this holiday, and it's very important to do that. So we are not having class, and nothing is due, nothing is assigned. So your assignment right now is to start on prep packet number 1, and that is going to cover chapters 1 and 2 of our course textbook. So that will be due on the 27th. The details are on Blackboard for you on how to complete that prep packet. The other thing that I want you to start thinking about your course paper. Your course paper has 2 choices. You can either complete a full literature review focusing on a specific theory from the book, or you can create and design a research proposal. This is a paper that will include a literature review as well as ending with hypotheses or research questions that you want to explore, that you would want to explore in the future. A lot of times individuals use these papers as the start of their paper that will complete the program. So maybe the foundation of your seminar paper, your thesis, or your professional project. It would be great if you want to get that started through this assignment, but that's one of the things you want to think about. I will announce a deadline soon, but you still have a few weeks to make that decision. I want to give you a chance to look at some of the theories and have a chance to enjoy the book before you make your final decision. Again, get the book as soon as possible if you haven't already. You can use an electronic version if you would like, or you can get a print version. Whatever works for you is just fine. I know some of you are not in this, are not resident students, so you're not actually in Springfield, Missouri. So if you choose to get the book through another venue, that will be fine as well. And finally, I'm setting up a discussion section, and the first thing that I would like you to do is to go ahead and introduce yourself, and if you can include a photo. That is just so the whole class has a chance to get to know you. We're going to have some moments of class interaction through the discussion board, and I want everyone to at least know who's in this course and get a chance to interact with each other. Even though we're online, we'll still have a chance to have some class time together through our discussions. This will be chances for you all to talk about theory, your struggles or your triumphs with it, the theories that you understand versus the ones that you may not understand as much, and have moments to really think about and reflect on the substance of certain theories. So I'm excited to have all of you. This is your checklist for Monday, January 27th, and I look forward to our entire semester together here in spring 2020. Welcome to Com 702.